Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet flower granny square. I used an H hook medium worsted yarn. It measures across 5.5 inches. If you like to make it larger, use a larger hook, or make it smaller, use a smaller hook, thinner yarn. Okay, so this is somewhat beginner and a little bit advanced because treble crochets and double crochets together are being used. If that's not something you've done before, then this will be advanced for you. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the pattern for this is listed down below, and chain 5 to get started. Slip stitch in that beginning chain to create a ring. Then you're going to chain 3. That counts as your first double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet 15 into the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to complete your double crochet. You're going to continue until you have a total of 15 plus your chain 3, which is 16 altogether. Okay, now you're going to slip stitch on top of the chain 3. Okay, this round you're going to yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, grab your yarn and drop your loop. Yarn over, insert your hook again, grab the yarn and drop your loop. Yarn over, insert your hook again, grab the yarn and drop your loop. That's for 3 times. And then you're going to yarn over, pull through the loops, and then chain 2. Now yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, drop your loop. Then yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, drop your loop, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, drop your loop. That's for 3 times total. Then yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 2. You're going to repeat this again for each stitch around until you get to the beginning. Drop your loops 3 times. And then yarn over and pull through all loops, and then chain 2. And then repeat until you get to the beginning. You'll have 16 of these puff stitches all together. This is your last one. Then yarn over and pull through all loops, and then chain 2. And then insert into the center of that puff stitch to complete. Right into the chain 2. Slip stitch, and then it's going to look like this, and then slip stitch into the chain 2 space. You'll have 16 of those all together, and then you're going to chain 2 and then work 3 double crochet together, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 3 double crochet together. including your chain 2. Then yarn over, pull through all loops, and then chain 3. And then you're going to work 4 double crochet all together, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. You have 5 loops on the hook, so yarn over, pull through all 5 loops on the hook, and then chain 3, and then work 4 double crochet together again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And then chain 3 again, and then just repeat that all the way around, 4 double crochet together and a chain 3 until you get to the beginning. Okay, you have your chain 3, work your last 4 double crochet together, chain 3, even though I did a chain 2 by accident. This is a chain 3. Now slip stitch in the center of that 3 double crochet together, and then slip stitch into the next chain space, and then chain 3. This is round 4, and then work 2 double crochet in that same space. This is creating the square now of this pattern. And then the corner is the next, which is going to be 3 treble, so yarn over twice, work your treble crochet 3 times, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. 2 more treble crochet, and then 3, chain 3, and then 3 treble crochet again, that's 1, and then 2, and then 3 treble crochet, it's going to look like this. And the next 3 chain spaces, it will have 3 double crochet, so 3 double crochet in this next chain space, 1 and then 2 double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then 1 more double crochet, and then 3 double crochet again in the next space, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 3 in the next, 3 double crochet, so it's going to look like this, your corner and then your edge, and then you're going to do another corner, which is 3 treble again with a chain 3 and 3 treble. So this is your first treble, and then 2, and then 3, chain 3, and then 3 treble crochet, so you're just going to repeat that around. It's going to look like this. So you'll do your edge, which in the next 3 chain spaces you'll do 3 double crochet in each chain space again. And then 3 double crochet again into the next chain space, 2 more times. Now you're going to work a corner with 3 treble crochet, chain 3, 3 treble crochet again. Okay, I just worked another corner, and your edges is 3 double crochet 3 times along the edge, and it's going to look like this, which is starting to form a square around the flower. So now you'll work 3 times 3 double crochet and then a corner, and then work your 3 double crochet twice. So this one gets the 3 double crochet, and you're just going to keep repeating that until, for the pattern, until you get to the beginning. So 3 double crochet 3 times, and then your corner again. And I'm kind of mostly going around just in case you're a beginner. Sometimes it gets a little confusing. The written pattern is down below though. So you're going to do it 3 times, 3 double crochet for the edge, and then you're going to work your corner, which is 3 treble, chain 3, 3 treble. So it's going to look like this, and work that until you get to the beginning. You're back at the beginning and you're going to work 3 double crochet in that last chain space. And then slip stitch in that chain 3 on the top. And this completes the square. You can slip stitch again if you like to have it, then chain 1 and pull it through and cut your yarn. Okay, it's going to look like this when you're all finished. You're going to take your yarn needle and in the back weave in all your ends about 3 or so times to secure your ends, and then your square is finished. It's going to look like this when you're finished. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching, and make sure you're a subscriber.